How to send video on Google Drive in Android. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily send video to your Google Drive on Android. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Google Drive application. And once you are logged in here, what you're going to have to do is first upload your video. So what I'm going to do is go to the folder, or you can always create a new folder if you want. So let me just create a new folder, name it video. Tap on create, and right inside the folder called video, I'm gonna go ahead and share certain videos. So in order to add those, tap on the plus icon, then you can go to upload. Now you can select a video to upload and then tap on upload. Once you've done that, if you want to send this to someone else, you can tap on the three dots, tap on share, and simply go ahead and search for their username or email. Tap on it, tap on send, and they will be notified on their Google Drive that a file has been shared with them. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.